Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about a micro everyday carry toolkit. The use case of this little organizer kit here is not to survive on a lonely island or to survive several years in the woods. I really like the dimensions of the setup. It's easy to throw, for example, in the backpack. It's easy to throw in the business bag, and you can carry it in your pockets. But let's take a look inside. I love to carry full-sized pliers, and that's the reason why I carry this compact mini tool from Leatherman. You can unfold it the first time and you see the full-sized pliers, and you can unfold it a second time for a full-sized handle. This tool comes with a can opener, a small blade, a small file with a flathead screwdriver tip, and a bottle opener. And I think it's a perfect combination with my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's a version from the Victorinox Evolution series, and I really like the fact that this tool has a locking blade. Let's go through the different tools. First of all, we have the blade. We have two combination tools with flathead screwdriver tips. This one is a can opener version. This one is a bottle opener. We have a nail cleaning tool with a nail file. We have scissors and an excellent saw from Victorinox. We have the corkscrew, the awl, a toothpick, tweezers and a keyring. I think it's a perfect combination, especially when we are talking about tools with a small dimension. The next basic for an everyday carry setup, this one here is a small flashlight. It's the E05R from Phoenix. This one is a rechargeable flashlight with different modes, all you need for your everyday carry tasks. To complete the MacGyver style duct tape in combination with a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Cody Landin said it years before, a true multi-tool, a standard big lighter in the mini version. I carry two different mini pens in this setup. This one here is a mini bolt action pen from Big Idea Design. It's always fun to play with, the quality is great, and I think it's a perfect size for a compact everyday carry toolkit. The next pen is a mini Stanley permanent marker. This one here is a blue version with a fine tip. Depending on your needs and preferences, this pen is available in different colors. Last but not least, we have to talk about the pouch. It's a Tasmanian Tiger Dip Pouch in the black version. This pouch comes with high quality zippers, high quality materials, and you have two compartments, one here and a second here. Please let me know in the comment section below what would you include into a setup like this one.